Hi all, welcome back to Fine Craft Studio. I am just going to teach you how to do an easy acrylic painting. This will give you a watercolor effect, okay? I'm just using light pink, that is magenta mixed with white. Add little bit of water. Next I'm just using sponge and dabbing it directly on the paper like this, okay? Pink directly, don't mix it with white. This gives like a cloudy effect, okay? Next I'm using yellow and I'm just blending the pink and the yellow. Now I'm just using tan orange, that is yellow mixed with orange, and just mixing like this here and there, okay? Once it is half dry, just give in a little bit of tan orange mixed with water like this. You can see the effect once it is dried out. See here. Next I'll show you how to draw pillars easily. Just follow the measurements. This is really very easy way to draw. If you have done your practices, please don't follow the measurement, just go with the flow. It will be very easy. Hope you like the project. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.